Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu. We are moving towards December, and there are still people who are not employed. They don't know what to do. They don't know what's going to happen. January is coming just now. There's the school uniform to be bought, school fees, and so many things that needs to be done. Guys, if you are staying around Hammanskraal, around the surroundings or in Hammanskraal or around, please do yourself a favor. If you can see Uguti, you've been looking for a job, you can't find a job, you have been looking for that luck, you are stuck in Hammanskraal, you don't know what to do. Listen, maybe the help is just around the corner. There's Umkhulu that I've worked with for the past, I think I'll say 3 years now, 2 or 3 years that I've worked with, and I'm doing this video because of, I'm with him, and I feel ukuthi uyibambile lento lena. He does listen, he does take advices, he does follow my guidance in terms of saying, Mkhulu, let's do this. Nami, he does advise me to say, Gogo, let's do this and everything. Guys, you must go and see Umkhulu uSkhephula. I'm telling you, Ubaba Sono Skephula will resolve your problems. If you're looking for that job opportunity, if you're looking for whatever that has to do with luck, he's there. He's there. You don't have to wait until you have money to come to Empangen. Imagine from Hammanskraal. From Hammanskraal, you go to Pretoria. From Pretoria, you're going to Joburg. From Joburg, you're going to Durban. From Durban, you're going to Empangen. How much are you going to spend? From Empangen CBD, you take a taxi again, you're going to Edlangobo. You spend a malini until you reach Ugogo Bathini Mbatho or whoever. While there is help just around the corner, there is somebody that will help you with issues of luck, with issues of somebody who doesn't know what must I do with this calling that I have. This calling is closing my luck. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm stuck. Why don't you go and see Umkhulu Sono and get consultation and get the right stuff and exactly the stuff that you can get from Ugogo Bathini Mbatho Empangen? It's just an advice, guys. It's up to you. And if you want me to do a full video on Umkhulu Skephula, you must tell me no. Umkhulu Sono Skephula is there. It's available. Just contact the office and ask for number for Umkhulu Sono.